Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on IronFX. First of all, what we need to do is we need to get a platform where we can trade, and the most easy platform, or the easiest way and quickest way to do this, is by clicking on trading platform and then click here on web trader. Then right now you need to log in with your account, and once you created an IronFX account, you can log in with clicking on file, log into trade account, and then right here log in with your login and your password, and then select here the type where you want to log in with or the server, and then from there we click on OK, and then right now we just logged in. The chart is right now closed, but once it gets opened, you can trade right here on this chart by simply clicking here on buy or sell. Or if you want to create a trade, you can click here on this, select here the symbol where you want to trade in, the volume, create a stop loss or a take profit right here. Then you can select your pending order or instant execution, and then you can click here on buy or sell. So this is how you can trade on IronFX. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.